They wanted to bring water in this area, and while they were redirecting a river, the canal broke and it overflowed the whole area. So suddenly there was an enormous sea. They made this huge touristic thing out of it, but then the problem, the sea became toxic, all the fishes died, and the tourism died as well.
I'm Urs August Steiner. I'm one of the founders of the Bombay Beach Biennale, where we are now. We thought, let's make international pavilions, but just have it be an empty cube and let artists from different countries interpret that as they would. And we did our first 2 experiments here in the corner, and the British Pavilion and the Swiss Pavilion.
Swissnex San Francisco and Helvetia invited Urs August Steiner for this project because he already did research on immortality here in the region, and we thought it's kind of interesting to combine this with this Biennale format and invite him for the Swiss Pavilion.
Go like this.
With the title Season 1, Episode 3, Refueling. The installation is a cube 10 feet by 10 feet, and there are 3 sides with panels. Some of them are rotating, others not. It's inspired by the cryonisation of the human body and like this idea of immortality and the race. So kind of like seeing the life as a race, and at one point it should end, but the cryonists, they don't accept bodily limitations. So I mixed those references and I came up with this idea of like the turning panels where you have a movement, like a kinetic space here at the Bombay Beach Biennale.